If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Okay, so this is a full tour of room 105 here at Bonaventure Vacation Village. Now I do apologize, it's pretty dark outside, so I'll do the best here. This is the main living room area, so as you all can see, this is nice, like really, really nice. So it does have a full couch, a phone. I can let some light in. I'll show you all the balcony in a little bit, but a beautiful view out here. So some people have a street view. We have the nice lake view. That leads to the balcony. I'll go out there in a bit. A huge TV. That's probably like the 55-inch if I'm not mistaken. So not bad at all. And then a nice dining room table as well. Now you can do conjoining rooms, but right now it's just me, and so we don't need that. And then this is the kitchen. So as you all can see, it does come fully stocked. It has glasses, paper towels, plates, stuff like that. This is really made for like if you're actually coming here just for like extended vacation. A dishwasher, just soap, sink, garbage disposal, everything you need. And then also a ironing board, refrigerator, coffee, nice and clean, freezer, very, very nice. This is probably the biggest hotel room I've ever had. This is extremely nice, I'm just saying. And then this is the bathroom. There goes me right there. Double sinks. And then it also has this, wow, nice huge shower, wow. And then what's this right here? The toilet. Yeah, the toilet. Wow, it's got its own little room in here. That is dope. Okay. Some hairs right there. And then this is the tub. So yes, they do have a tub. That is crazy. And then right here is the bed. So this is a full king size bed. As you all can see, it has another nice TV. It's got dual chargers on each side. So it has 2 different outlets plus 2 different USB ports. So 4 ports right there, 4 right there. Cruise ships, y'all need to learn from this. That is pretty amazing. So lights. And then that leads out to your balcony right here. Okay, and then this is the balcony here. So as you can see, you can access it from 2 different doors. And this has a lake view balcony. Okay, so around here you have the main lobby, but what we're doing is we're going to the pool, which they have a separate gate over here as well. So if you're curious of how to get in here, this is it. Oh, it is empty. So what you do is you scan your card like this. And boom. There you go. Oh, that's a nice pool. Ooh. Let's take a picture real fast. Alright, so right here is the towel station. You come here, you give them their card, and then you return your towels right here in this little bin and retail. They also sell drinks and stuff over there. Then they have some coffee in the morning.